Okay, so welcome back to Martian Bean Counter. Today we're going to look at book publishing, and book publisher, and we'll look through their company website and see if that's any help or any inspiration for those of you who want to go down this path. Now, you might be an author, you might be somebody who wants to create a book club, or a cookbook, or something, some great I don't know, whatever kind of book you want to create. So let's just look at how it's done through the website. Okay, so this one's called blurb.co.uk. So clearly it's a UK based site. UK has some of the highest sales for books in the world, because we all love our books there because there's nothing else to do. Okay, so this one's very good for Adobe by the looks of it, with lots of little plugins and modules and whatnots for various types of book covers and designs, so that you can basically put your book together. You should have realised now that if you're publishing the book yourself, you're probably going to be doing most of the work, and they'll be taking most of the money. I don't know how much profit there is to be made from doing this, but I think if you're starting off, this is probably going to be the best way. There's so many books out there, there's so many authors, there's so many publishing companies. To get yourself noticed above all of them, you're going to have to start off by yourself these days. This one seems okay. I had a quick look through it before. They do a lot of books, so this is your inspiration. So photography books, cookbooks, travel books, portfolios, business books. And from what I can tell from his website, you can create either a small clutch of books that you can then go and sell yourself through whatever format, however you want to do it, from like little books down to big books. Or there is a print on demand service where they will print the book up for you and sell it. Although the avenues for this, unless I'm very much mistaken, seem to be mainly through Amazon. There's a little bit of Apple perhaps locked in there. Yeah, so trade books, maybe just different on each one, I don't know. So print on demand, this is where we're going with it, this is what we want to do. So let's take a scenario. You've gone to public domain, you selected an archaic book from 100, 200 years ago that you want to get published as part of a series that you're going to start. This is where you start with. So we'd come here, lots of project management stuff. They even give you a customer quote. So this is a self-published first work. This is their example. Somebody's published 324 copies, used an Adobe InDesign plugin. I can actually recommend Adobe. It's very expensive, but the amount of connectivity between all of them is very, very useful. Okay, so they would charge you full price basically. That's the cost of a book essentially. So I think whatever you put on top of that would be profit, wouldn't it? Okay, so sell and self-publish. Let's see what this looks like. Selling format. So yeah, you can sell ebooks through here, which is quite a good way of doing it. But if you really come into a place like this, you don't want to be doing ebooks, you want to be doing hard books or softback books, but not ebooks. What are they saying for profit? So you'd set your own profit. So let's just get started. I imagine it wants me to create something from in here. Okay, so alright, so £25 for the first 24 pages, and then 5p for every additional page after that. That's not too bad. That's not too shabby. Is that for the same with a very small one? Small one goes down by a penny, but the books are quite small there. So 13 by 20, that's about the size of a small person's hand, I would imagine. Depends what goes across there, so yeah. Magazines, which I wouldn't even go down the magazine route. I don't think you're going to make very much there. Okay, what's their bookstore? Ooh. Where are we going with this? This is a new tab. there's a book community there. So I'm wondering when you set up, which I haven't done with this website, whether you actually can create a bookstore, a store of your own within their website. If you ever go to use print on demand for like t-shirts, things like that, some stores like Redbubble will allow you to kind of set up a store within their own thing. Society 6, watch our videos on that, you'll see what I mean. Okay, so that's quite interesting. So what have we learned from going on there for a quick 5-minute look around? We've learned that you can start your own book for less than a £5 per book, and less than 20 pence, let's say. That's the magazine though, isn't it? So yeah, smallest book, £3 for the first 24 pages, and then 4 pence after that. So that's a decent sized book's probably going to cost you $7.50 maybe per book, at $2.50 for that for your own profits. Take away the advertising, so you minimum you're going to be selling that book for is about 15 quid, I'd say, once you take in your advertising costs and all that. Quality of books, haven't come across them yet, so I don't know, but that's definitely something that we can look at in the future. Okay, so we'll leave it there for now. As you know, with all our pages, all our videos, we tend to scout around these very quickly in an edited route round, and then we come back for detailed projects later on as we go through the year. Okay, so I will catch you next time.